Most people think their IP address is just a random string of numbers. They're wrong. Your IP is a digital breadcrumb that can point to a general location. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how analysts and security researchers can interpret an IP address into location data on a map. We're going to use two methods: a quick terminal command for speed and my custom Python tool for deeper analysis. If you've ever wondered how much information you're sharing every time you browse, stay tuned. Let's get into the terminal. You don't always need complex tools. Sometimes all you need is a single line of code. We're going to use curl to query the ipinfo.io API. For this demo, let's use Google's public DNS 8.8.8.8. Type this: curl ipinfo.io/8.8.8.8. Look at that. Instantly, we get the host name, city, region, and even the postal code. But the most important part is right here, the location. These are the coordinates. If I copy these numbers and paste them into a live Google map, boom. We are looking at the approximate data center location for Google. It's that fast. No login, no downloads, just raw data. Method 1 is great for a quick check, but if you're doing serious research, you want something automated. I've developed a tool called IP Tracker that handles the heavy lifting for you. Let's pull it from my GitHub. Go to github.com/acw360/IP_tracker. Copy the link and let's clone it. This is the engine we're going to use to analyze IP data. Now, a professional doesn't just install libraries globally and mess up their system. We're going to set up a clean Python environment. First, create the virtual environment, Python 3-m venv. Now, activate it. Source venv/bin/activate. You see that venv tag in the terminal? That means we're in a safe, isolated space. Now let's install the dependencies. Pip install -r requirements.txt. Now the tool is fully set and ready. Let's fire it up. Python 3 IP_tracker.py. The tool is asking for the IP. Let's feed it 8.8.8.8 again. It pulls the same metadata, city, time zone, org. But here's the cool part. My tool automatically generates an interactive map file. It doesn't just give you coordinates, it visualizes them. Let's open that map. Firefox IP_location_map.html. Now, instead of just numbers, we have a visual pinpoint on a high-res map. This is exactly how analysts visualize origin data during investigations. As you just saw, your location data isn't as private as you think. This is why using a VPN or a proxy is essential if you value your privacy. This video was for educational purposes to show you how the internet actually works and how much data is exposed by default. If you want to use this tool, grab it from my GitHub link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. In the next video, I'm going to show you how attackers use phishing links to collect IP data in real-world scenarios. I'm ACW360. Stay ethical, stay secure, and I'll see you in the next one.